Okay, hello guys, what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Okay, so if you are just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Amarachi Echebiri. Okay, I'm known as Amiable. Okay, then for my returning subscribers, thank you very much for watching this video. May the good Lord bless you. Okay, so on today's video, we'll be talking about how to successfully download the 1688 app. Okay, how to successfully download it is going to be a practical session. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to successfully download this 1688 app. Okay, so before that, the 1688 app, if you're using an Android phone, you cannot download it from Play Store. Okay, but if you use an iPhone, you can actually download it from Apple Store. For those that uses Android phone, you can't download it on Play Store. It's not on Play Store. If you go on Play Store, there are similar apps that might want to look like the 1688 app. Some might even copy the name 1688. But just know that when you download such app, you end up buying from the wrong people, because the 1688 official app is not on Play Store. Okay, now realize, because there are some certain times where some situation where people have gone and downloaded these apps and they've ended up buying from the wrong place. Their money will just go that way. So now let's delve into the video for today. Practical steps of downloading the 1688 app, because some people find it very difficult. It's not difficult to download the 1688 app. It's actually not difficult. It's very easy. Okay, so let's delve into the practical step of downloading this 1688 app and how you can as well translate it, how you can download it and how you can translate it, because when you download this app, it's all about Chinese. Okay, nothing is written in English. So I'll be showing you practical steps of how you can successfully download the 1688 app and how you can translate. So for today's video, we're going to be using the Chrome. So we're going to be using our Google Chrome. But before we go to our Google Chrome, let's go to our Play Store and see. Okay, so we're opening the Play Store. Okay, not now. So we're going to be searching 1688. Let's see what will come up. Okay, so let's choose the one for app for Android. So you're seeing these, right? Let me highlight it so you can see where it's installed, and then the 1688. Okay, so please, this is not the official 1688 app. This is not the official 1688 app. So I'm sounding it now. Don't go and start downloading it. If you download this, you end up getting the wrong app. Okay, so that being said, let's go straight to our Google Chrome. So this is our Chrome. Let's type 1688.com. Okay, so let's search. It's loading. Okay, so here we have the official 1688 from Chrome. So we'll have to translate it because you're seeing all these in English, right? First of all, you're seeing this whole thing here is in Chinese. So let's translate it. Let's see what that stuff there is talking about. So you're going to be translating this page by clicking on a three dots up. But you can easily install a translator like iTranslate, Google Translate. But Chrome, since you're using Chrome, once your Chrome is updated, you don't actually need all of that. So you just click on these three dots. Let me show you. You click on these three dots where my arrow is. Click on it. Then let's see what pop up. So when you go down, you're going to see translate here. Let me show you with an arrow. So that translates you're seeing there. You click on it and it will automatically turn the page from Chinese to English. Okay, so here we have, now you're seeing it. So here it's actually saying new users who download the app can receive a rent envelope of up to 5 yuan. What it actually means is, if you're a new user that download the app, if you want to buy something for like 20 yuan, you can make use of this red envelope and they'll deduct 5 yuan for you and you pay 15 yuan. Okay, so now that being said, let's check this out. You're seeing this that says let me highlight it, open the 1688 mini. You're seeing that, right? Okay, and then you're also seeing this that says download the 1688 app, download 1688 app. So here, and this is the official way of downloading the official 1688 app. So we've clicked on it, it's downloading now, downloading file. So but in case you open your 1688 from Chrome and you can't find that, what you need to do is go top. You're seeing that stuff up that's orange and white. Let me highlight it so you see. Okay, so you're seeing it, right? You can actually click on it, that place that by the right hand side that looks like box. You can click on it and that stuff will pop up again. So let's click on it and see. So you're seeing it, right? It has actually popped up again. Then now you can download the 1688 app from there. So that's actually, if you open and you did not, this stuff did not pop up, you can do it from that way. So now let's go. No, we already downloaded the first time, so we don't need to click on download again. Let's go Chrome. It's downloading. So you're seeing how it's been downloaded. Okay, so let's wait for it to complete downloading. It's complete, so we click on it. Okay, yes, so we're clicking on it. Then for you, they say for security, your phone and all of that. So it's just because the app we're downloading was not gotten from Play Store. Okay, so that's why it's showing you these security tips. It's nothing. So we just click on settings to go allow the app to be downloaded to the phone. Okay, so that's just what this security is all about. So we'll click on settings. Let's click on settings. So we'll go allow from the source. We've clicked on allow from the source. See what I'm saying? Install app from unknown sources, because it's not from Google Play. So just check the box. You click on check, I'm aware of the possible risks, and then you click on OK. Okay, we've checked the box and we're clicking on OK. So now they're telling you to install, so you install. So it's installing. So now open. So you just scroll up and then you click there that is orange and white. Okay, let me highlight it so you see what I'm saying. So there, you just click on it. So voila, we have the 1688 app, the official 1688 app. So this is the official 1688 app. You allow notifications. This is actually the official 1688 app. Every other app gotten from any other source is not the official site, and you stand a chance of losing your money if you keep on going to the app. So please, I've made a simple beginner friendly course where if you want to learn mini importation, you can check the description box of this video, click on the link, and it will take you straight to getting the course and you can learn. Thank you very much.